So this is a triple beam balance. It works really well for getting the mass of things that are heavier. This one goes up to more than half a kilogram, whereas the chemistry balances only do like 0.2 kilograms. It works like the scales at a doctor's office. You have to first check that it's pointing to 0, and if it's not, you have to adjust this knob. So I'm just going to make some small adjustments. Okay, then you put your object on the scale, and you slide over the weights one at a time. You start with the biggest one. It doesn't fall, so you move it again. It doesn't fall, so you move it again. It does fall, so it must be less than 300. So we'll go back to 200. You go to your middle weight, 210, 20. So it falls by 230. Falls by 220, so it must be between 210 and 220. And then you do your smallest one until it just balances. It's a lot easier to do this not one-handed. All right, so we have a mass of about 217.3 grams. I got that by adding 200 plus 10 plus 7.3. Let's do the pencil now. So take the book off, reset the weights. Make sure we're still going back to that 0. So there's our pencil. So it's less than 100, so we'll leave that at 0. It's less than 10, so we'll leave that at 0. So all of it will just be by adjusting this bottom slider. So the pencil weighs 5.0 grams.